never talk too early. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha. Indaba.
Sibingelele, welcome to a special Sex Indaba. I know what was a notices in behind me, as you can see, this is the building the parts that you have never seen because the studio said to a different feel from this. Alex Ntian. Namhlanje we give you a Sex Indaba because during the day to kuluma about izinto ozishilo kwi page later on Facebook ukuthi kwenzekani mangabe qala long weekend efana nale yama Easter esikuyona about ukuba nomuntu uthola ukuthi umthola for the first time, but before kuyiwe kwezomdavazo kuzokwenziwa njani, kuzokhulunywa about my expectations. Also later on I have a udokotela who's going to take us through leke yokuthi uhlala nomuntu but nikwi long distance relationship uma senindawonye izinto kumele ukuthi uyiqaphele and the risk as well angase abe involved. Let me introduce again my partner in crime, expert here to Sex Indaba, udokotela uNathi Shabalala. Mshe
kunjani Alex?
Hayi right kunjani?
Ngikhona bhuti ngibingelele nomndeni wami eGagasi FM.
All right, no kumnandi. So we do things differently. Now we're just taking a walk. Abalaleli bethu they shared with us ukuthi kukhona leyo anxiety yokuthi you meet umuntu nixhumane on the socials kwesinye isikhathi uthole ukuthi benilokhu nifonelana naye but sekuyisikhathi ke now sokuthi nibonane ke in person.
Yes.
Obviously leyo nto leyo ingafaka i-anxiety to both wena okade uthi come and see me and upartner wakho. Izinto mhlambe evama ukwenzeka nje kumuntu mangabe ezohlangana nomuntu for the first time ade befunana belangazelelana be-express ukuthi mase ngifikile nginje into yokuqala nje abantu abayiqaphelayo.
Well Alex, I think vele indaba iqala ngama expectations. Angithi njengoba suke sikhulumela nje ucingweni sizama ukwazana, you know siyafundana khona lapho ucingweni asikaze sibonane. You know angazi even ukuthi mhlambe le ithombe ongikhombisa zona zizona ngempela yini inyama ngempela yini lo ngikhombisa zona because khona izinto eziningi ezenzakalayo but ama expectations iwona avele akhe ingqikithi yokuthi okay fine asikaze sazana asikasibonana. Now what do I expect to get from when nawe ngokwakho what are we going to be expecting from me? Iqala lapho lento le and isikhathi siningi ama expectations you know I problem because if you come with high expectations expect ke ukuba disappointed in a manner, you know, because some high expectations they are very hard to live up to. So if uthi uzohlangana nomuntu usumtshena ukuthi ngizokunemba ngizokwenza ukuthi ngizokunabisa
ngibukeka kanjena and all of that.
Ngibukeka kanjena nginefika
so create ihaba manje
nginesinqa lento ekuthiwa inyash so create ihaba lapho.
Okay, you know. So before sisifike kuleyo ukuthi umuntu uhlangana na in person, I note what you are saying ekutheni iqale lento ngesikhathi usacreate leyo expectation ekutheni be realistic as well. Okay,
you have to be realistic.
All right, so now sekufikiwe ke senihleli ndawonye assuming ukuthi konke lokho kade kubala is not the case. Khona ezinye izinto ezenza ukuthi umuntu athi no it won't work and then bese kuzoba khona futhi ezinye izinto ezizothi oh yeah this has met yonke into ebengikade ngiyilindela. If unga-advise mhlawumbe umuntu wesifazane usefikile ke umuntu wakho because omunye uzoba nento yokuthi into engiyenzayo ingase ngenze ngibukeke ngiyi-forward and then omunye uzothi no but now ade ngikhombisa ukuthi I'm looking forward langazeli ngokufika kulo muntu. Unga-advise mhlawumbe ukuthi be who you are noma mhlawumbe play it slow.
Okay. Now Alex, inkulumo yethu singakabonani ihamba iyapi? Lana sizodlala sizokwakha senzani exactly? Ngoba kumele icace from the word go leyo nto leyo. If kukuthi I'm going to be spending isikhathi sami nawe over the phone ngiphuma emsebenzini kumele kube khona ukuthi kahle kahle yini inhloso yami ngalento lena esithi zamukuyana
si serious noma vele kuzodlalwa nje. Okay,
lokho it brings ama different contexts when it comes to bonana kwethu ke manje. If kukuthi mhlambe asenze nje umzekelo asizile ukuzodlala sizokwakha abantu abaningi besifazane baye expect ukuthi masibonana for the first time you're going to take me out on a date yabo uzonginakekela ngalendlela okade ukhuluma ngayo. Abanye abantu besilisa ke baye ke baqambelana namangaya ngendaba yemali. I-situation yemali is a problem ngoba manje if so fika laphana umuntu wesifazane mase enama expectations okuwena omnikezile and when you don't live up to them uba disappointed lo muntu wesifazane.
Lethi sibuyela ke izoba inkinga.
Sibuyela isishawe nake leyo nto leyo sekuba manje into ekuthiwa i red flag leyo. You know ukuthi awuqamba manga ukuthi hayi uzosikhona isimo uzosimela isimo sizohamba indawo nawo akusenzeki bese kwenzakalani ke after that.
Listening to this, as I always invite you, I know you have the opinion. Uke wa experience lento esikhuluma ngayo. Ngingajabula ukuthi ngitholeke your comments. Ungaphawula here. We are discussing about creator ama expectations angelona iqiniso. Now that uzobuhlangene nomuntu for the first time. Dokotela enye into eyenzekayo ke. Alcohol is part of abantu interacting, getting to know each other. Would you advise ukuthi zisaqala nje first date kube sengenwa kuphuzo uyazazi ukuthi behave kanjani mangabe usuku usumnandi and again you can't disappoint upartner wakho ngokuthi umtende down uma ethi let's go out or let's have drinks ubungozi bungaba khona nalapho
siphila impilo ehlukile lifestyle yomuntu oyedwa angeke ifanye neomunye umuntu so indaba yotshwala ngiyayibenga ukuthi Alex ayikho inkinga ngotshwala. The problem is how do you handle yourself mase under the influence of utshwala. That is the main issue here. But in terms of ukuthi sazane masoba kwi date a glass of wine is okay. A glass of beer is okay, it's fine. But now if kuthi siyaqala ukubonana embarrassment ifika la esekuthenini ke sekukhona oyedwa ke manje ose heavily intoxicated akasakwazi ke manje ukuyibamba even ukukhuluma kwakhe akusesiyo into ephuzile ngoba phela utshwala buye nalapho and utshwala busebenza ngendlela eziwu2 khona inhibition side of it kube khona excitatory side of it so if usabqala utshwala
so dokotela ke manje masishaya ngala matemu laho ayithi yes
mawusuphuze kakhulu kuyaye kwenzeke embedeni ufeyile even ukufeyila
shinatsoke indaba ibisiyaqala ke all right then bese kuzoba khona ke situation la mshengo yabantu othola ukuthi sihlala endaweni eyikude but i-weekend lesikuyona ama Easter and then usufikile ke usuku umuntu wakho kade yagcinana of course leyo ukuthi ade kuna this distance izokwenza ukuthi nje first encounter sesiyaxhumana again after isikhathi eside then bese kuzoba ke umdavazo iphindlela engaba mnandi and spice things up singayenzi ngobudlapha lento sefikile umuntu wakho uhlala kude you've done izinto ezihlukahlukene to keep ispark going but now sesiyabonana ke so wenza njani
as Alex into ebuye ibe hindrance now besingabonani besenzani njengoba singabonene ibalekile indaba ye commitment ifika with uba faithful leyo nto leyo it spices up a relationship ngenye indlela ngoba manje uyamkhombisa lo muntu ukuthi dedicated even if ungekho eduze kwakhe wena ngokwakho uthembakele ithemba lo muntu osifazane lelele kuthenini uzoyinikela kangakanani kuwena so yendlale leyo ndlela leyo ukuthi uthembeke even before sibonana uma ke sesibonana ke sekubalula ke ngoba phela manje sekukhona into ekuthiwa alignment ngiyakuthemba uyangithemba ayikho into engangivimba ukuthi ngizinikele kuwena fully i-enjoyment ifika nalokho ke Alex kanti if usazodoubt ukuthi yazi umuntu angimazi ukuthi uphuma phi khona izinto engiyipick upile njengoba ade singabonani ukuthi mhlambe ziyenzeka kuyakumele ucabange impilo yakho kuqala ngoba ngempela ungawathola ama infections awumazi lo muntu ukuthi uphuma ke khona
all right yes okay so okubalekile more than ilanga la namhlanje kutheni senibonene this weekend but ileyo ukuthi kulesi sikhathi esedlule bekade ufaithful kangakanani so kangakanani ngiyayibuka ke lento kubantu abayithiwa abathandanayo usikhombisa kanjani uqinisekisa ukuthi bengiziphethe kahle ngilento kufanele ukuthi ngibe yiyona mhlambe ngakukhombisa ngendlela ozobukhuluma ngayo uzokukhombisa lokho ngebehavior what are some of the things umuntu angayikhombisa just ukuthi ale ama fears ka partner wakhe ekutheni I've been faithful still committed
if Alex engekhamanga entweni oyenzayo kubalula ukuthi ube uwena so ngaso sonke isikhathi indlela ongayikhombisa ngayo komunye umuntu ukuba uwena ngoba manje uwena o responsible for your own life and for your own choices kuyaye kuthiwa indoda iphiliswa inqumo zayo so inqumo wena oyithathayo izona ezizobeka
this applies to umuntu wesifazane as well it's just isakha nje yes
but it applies to all parties
okay
ukuthembeka kwakho nokuyiphatha kwakho kubonakalisa ngezenzo so asikho isidingo mhlambe sokuthi umuntu uthi umkhombisa ukuthi uyamthanda ukuthi ube materialistic ukuthi umthengele izinto umnikeze imali yes that's another form of uthando ngendlela abantu abalibuka ngakhona but ubuwena uma uzoba nomuntu kumele ukwazi ukuvuleleka ukuthi ube uwena kulowo muntu loyo so leyo nto leyo iya nangokuthi wena ke umuntu onjani.
Okay.
Ibalekile ke personality lapho Alex.
Okay.
Because there are people abanama personalities bazalwe nawo and they are liars. They are manipulators. You know, they don't even have into ekuthiwa immorality. So labo bantu labo ke bayinkinga because bakhona bayaphila impela emhlabeni. If you look at ama psychopath, if you look at ama Machiavellianism, if you look at into ekuthiwa i narcissism, zonke lezi zinto they feature when it comes to personality yomuntu nanenquma azogcina ethathile ekugcineni. So if you are a manipulator, you will never really get to see i-value yomuntu fully ngoba manje wena uze lapho ngeinto zakho uzomanipulate when situation so that wena uzogain something. Impilo is a give and give, it's not a give and take.
Yeah. So ngeke siqede le conversation doc singazange sibe practical about how things work. Sikhulume lana about abantu abazobe bebonana for the first time or babe ndawonye for the first time, even ukuvakashelana, and also labo abangahlali ndawonye. Umdavazo, as we always say on this show, will always be part of the conversation ekanje kodwa there are instances othola ukuthi isimo asivumi ukuthi abantu bangaba intimate, but lokho akusho ukuthi ngeke besakwazi ukuenjoya icompany yabo nomuntu wabo. Indlela to be that perfect company to umuntu wakho ngalesi sikhathi uma kunezimo ezizokwenza ukuthi ningakwazi ukuba semdavazweni ongasinikeza zona nje.
Okay, now if asithi mhlambe umuntu wakho uma period,
yes,
you know, and yena ngokwakhe
that will always be reason number one. Yes,
and akathanda engage
kwi-sexual
intercourse ngoba vele if eyilalela isex indaba ngaye ngiyibeka indaba ukuthi angirecommend indaba yokuba ocansini during lesi sikhathi because it let a lot of problems, you know. So is ngaba izathu leso.
Okay.
Esinye izathu imood Alex, imood, how do you set imood? So indaba yocansi inento ekuthiwa i-foreplay. I-foreplay it's not lento ozofike uyenze mawusunaye lowo muntu. Uyiqala even before that ungakamboni even ukumbona lowo muntu. Ukukhuluma nje naye, you know, ukumuza ukuthi yena ukusiphi sona ispace. Ukumkhipha near out naye lowo muntu loyo. That's also still part and parcel of enjoying isikhathi senu ndawonye. Isikhathi senu ndawonye, yes, ekugcineni kwawo konke mhlambe singagcina ngomdavazo, but like you are saying, akhona ama situations avimbayo ukuthi gcine sekufinyeleliwe lapho umdavazo. But asikho isidingo sokuthi uvele manje uthela umoya phansi usukhombisa wena ukuthi hey awusekho ke lapho just because nje uthola umdavazo egcineni. Ungenze ungawutholi namhlanje, what if uyawuthola ngakusasa? And if umphatha kahle lowo muntu namhlanje, what if kusasa ukunikeza igolide lento?
Okay. A conversation yethu namhlanje ku special edition of A Sex Indaba. We are looking at wenze njani simo sibe mnandi singabi muncu kube khona le excitement uma ukuthi you are going to be umuntu for the first time emva kokulangazelelana isikhathi eside. We are also looking at indaba yabantu abangahlali ndawonye, usebenza kude kumbe uvakashile, and then ke umuntu wakho. Isikhathi esiright futhi kulama holiday amade doc sokuthi abantu baxazulule inkinga abangabe banazo kwi relationship, bathelelana amanzi, bakhise and make up, wouldn't you say?
Impela Alex, and yazi that doesn't only apply to ama couples and relationships. It applies to imindeni as well. If velubuka ama Easter are centered around, you know, families. So family ties, family bonds, yes, you're on a platform le. So even ekuthandaneni impela ukuthi sikwazi ukubonana after isikhathi eside, let us not waste isikhathi dwelling on, you know, our past mistakes. How do we now move forward, you know, and maintain indaba yokuthi sibe ndawonye siqhubeke sakhe, you know, ngoba kukhona nalento yokuthi abanye abantu baba namaqhubu, abanye abantu babambelele entweni. Now if umuntu kanjalo kuba nzima ukuqhubekela phambili. So isona sikhathi impela leso ukuthi njoba sohlangana nje ake sibone ukuthi siqhubeka kanjani phambili.
We are wrapping up a conversation yethu namhlanje. I hope ukuthi iyakukhumbuza about the situation wakwaba kuyona, and you think had I known the information eshared namhlanje I would have handled izinto differently. Kumbe you can be of help to someone close to you, a friend or someone you know in the family ocabanga ukuthi le conversation yethu badinga ukuthi bayezwe, please share. Sesiyarapha up ke now dokotela, we've spoken about what to do and izinto kumele ukuthi ungazenzi nanokuthi ube yisoka ungabi yibhimbi. Abanye abantu bebekhala ngokuthi bahola on the 15th, so ba right financially, but abanye also balindele ukuthi kuze kuphele isikhathi esizayo, and then bese kuzoba khona abangenayo income efika and on regular basis. Ukukhuthaza kwakho nje doc, being umuntu oyi expert on relationships as well, of ukubaleka kokuthanda umuntu accept and embrace whether unawo ama means or not when kunayo yonke le temptation ekhona yokuthi you are being taken out, you are given izinto ezithile, you are taken endaweni ethile, just nje iadvice yakho.
Okay Alex, yazi ngelinye ilanga kuyofika vele lapho ekuthenini ufuna ukushada noma ufuna ukushadwa,
yeah,
kuyofika lapho. Now kunento evamise ukushiwa ke kuma vows kuthiwa for better or for worse. So if uyifunda leyo nto kusayimanje ukuthi umuntu awumthandeli into anayo, awumthandeli imali anayo, umthandela ubiyena yena ngokwakhe. Ziningi izinto ongayigwema later on, ngoba if ukuthi too materialistic, you end up not really appreciating impilo ngendlela okumele uyi-appreciate ngakhona. Kukhona umuntu ongayinikela kuwena fully kodwa just because akanawo ama means of ukuthi akuthengele mhlambe whatever brand name, you know, bese kuba khona ukuthi wena ke ngokwakho ubambelele ekuthenini akanakho lokho, therefore angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuba naye. Wena uyincisha uthando ngaleso sikhathi and ikhamba kuhambe abantu abaningi ibashaye leyo nto when they are looking back. So i-advice yami ngingasho Alex ukuthi umuntu umthande purely as a human being, ungamthandi nezinto ezi-attached again. Imali for instance, imali is meant ukuthi yelekelele empilweni, akumele ngabe sigijimela imali kahle kahle. Imali it's means of ukuthi impilo yakho ibe ngcono, so ingaba ngcono leyo mpilo even if nindawonye ninakho lokho eninakho, appreciate what you have.
Athatha yona advice le intshumayelo. Now that's ngena kumaziwa isikhombisa from Friday koze kuyophela le Easter weekend sikuyona. Udokotela usinikeza ke iperspective ukuthi impilo sibuke kanjani. Three things ke eziqhamile. Ileyo ukuthi ukuba ndawonye nomuntu akuncikile kakhulu kumdavazo nje kuphela. There is a lot that you can do. And then he also mentions indaba yokuba faithful uqala kuwe uwedwa, and then bese kuzoba ke ile balekile ama morals nanokuthi usiphatha kanjani wena. I hope ukuthi zonke lezi zinto uzithole ke relevant, and ngajabula mase ngithole ke i-comment yakho, and this is how we take a topic osinikeza yona and then see later sit discuss. Alex Okamtiane, thank you for joining us, and my guest is our expert on sex indaba, udokotela Nathi Shabalala. Uzoyithola ke le video yethu ungaya nje kwi-app yeGagasi, ungaya na ku-YouTube as well, and then ke uyilalele masu download ke i-app yeGagasi. Thank you for being with us. Sex Indaba with Alex Mtiane on Gagasi FM.
Special open line on Mondays at 7. Talk to Alex. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha. Indaba.